In this video, I will show you how to upload photos to Google Drive and share a link quickly and easily. So if you want to save your photos online, upload pictures from your computer or phone, and then create a shareable Google Drive link to send to someone else, make sure to follow this full tutorial to learn exactly what to do. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, comment below if you do have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more quick Google Drive tutorials and simple tech guides. Now to get started, what you want to do is head over to your Google Drive. So if you just come up to the address bar, type drive.google.com and make sure you're logged into the correct Google accounts that you want to upload photos for. Once you've done that, what you want to do is come over to the left hand side and click onto the new button here. And then what you can do is choose either file upload or folder upload. So if you just want to upload one file, then click file upload, or if you do have a folder which contains photos, of course select folder upload. In this example, I'm going to click onto folder upload. What that's going to do is open up your computer's file explorer where you can find the files or folders with the photos that you want to upload. So you can see on my desktop I've got a folder here called photos, and what I'm going to do is click to select the folder and then come and click the upload button. It's going to ask if I want to upload two files to this site, as there's currently two photos in that folder. So what I'm going to do is click onto upload, and then you can see in the bottom right hand corner it's going to start to upload the photos to Google Drive. Now once they have been uploaded, if you come over to the menu on the left hand side, click onto recent, you should see your photos at the top of the list. Now from here, to share the photos, all you want to do is come to the right hand side of the photo, click onto the three dots where it says more actions, and then hover over the share option. On the submenu, click on to share. What that's going to do is open a window like this, and you can either add people via their email, so you can enter their email into here, and you can choose their permissions as well, whether you want them to edit, comment, or just view the photo, and then click send. And what that's going to do is send an email, and they just need to click that to get access. You can also, if you come back onto the share window, come down to the general access section and change this to anyone with the link. What you can then do is copy the link by clicking the button here, and you can of course paste that and send that way if you need to, whether that's via Messenger or an email or something like that, to share your photos from Google Drive. So that is how to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.